Welcome to a sim code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn about Datetime module in Python. The Datetime module in Python is designed to handle dates and times, offering tools to manipulate, format, and perform calculations with them. It includes classes like datetime, date, time, and timedelta, each serving different needs when working with time-related data. Here is a quick overview. Datetime class. This is the most commonly used. It combines both date and time in one object. Date class. This handles just the date, year, month, day. Time class. This handles just the time, hours, minutes, seconds. Timedelta class. This represents the difference between two dates or times, useful for adding or subtracting from specific dates or times. Let's go through a basic example that covers creating datetime objects, manipulating them, and formatting the output. Get the current date and time. Print current date and time in default format. Create a date object from year, month, and day. Print just the date part. Add 5 days to the current date. Subtract 10 days from the current date. Format the current date time into a custom string. Parse a string into a datetime object. Get only the time part from a datetime object. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a sim code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.